Yo, Orbit Dollars, what's up? Hey babes, how's the orbit? I really wanted to show you guys how I created this rad pad. I flippin' love my space library so much. It is amazing. And I am just going to keep playing with it and growing with it and take you guys along with me. Space library. That's really where you can find me. I'm in my library, and you're welcome to join the Airbit and learn things with me. Think of an idea, right? If you need that as a step, like the steps are choose your intelligence, play, right? Because you got to design the thing. So choose your intelligence. First is pick, where you want to spend the most of your time. I chose Lewd Fusion. You could choose dall-e, you could choose midjourney, you could choose crayon. All of them are wonderful and capable of giving you different creative outlet. But you got to play with them. You have to put the time in and figure out exactly what wording describes the mood that you're looking for. You might need to just look inside of yourself or look inside of a thesaurus. Whatever helps you get your idea across. And that's what I really love about this AI art making process, is that I can really just use my words to spit out the crap that's in my brain. Then you're going to choose your software, whatever it is that you are going to use to create your dream. Where is it that you where is it that you feel the most comfortable moving shit around? If it's a Sims 2, it's a Sims 2. It could be flipping Animal Crossing. This Animal Crossing is what gave me this freaking notion in the first place. I find the video so I can thank him personally, because he really did open my eyes to some of the possibilities that one can use with game software that you have already purchased. Another person is Sci-Fire. I think it's Starfire or Sci-Fire. SYA Fire with the Sims 4. She used Sims 4. I've been saying Sims 2, but because I've never even fucking played Sims 2, but I just figured that one's really simple and whatever. Maybe a lot of people have built things on that. There are a ton of programs that you could use to make this work. I could probably give a little info on all of them if anybody wants that. But I chose to use second. You could use Sims, you could use IMVU, you could honestly use Blender. There are enough free assets online to put that crap in there and make it work, because Blender only looks dark and scary. It works just like everything else. So I did a little Google search for pretty Second Life destinations, the best Second Life destinations, and that Google actually led me to Flickr. I tried to do this as freemiumly as I could, but there is a marketplace for a reason. Linden Labs created Tilia, so I might as well use it. It is what drives the entire e-commerce system for the metaverse. Well, it will. It will drive the metaverse. Currently, it drives the Lindenverse. I went ahead and tossed $5 worth in there, thinking it would be $2K or something, to just give myself a peruse. And I wound up comprising a few candidates. a few candidates for my office search. So stable is Bay. I try not to just go crazy thinking of things and typing in prompts and whatnot, but it really does become just a fun pastime to watch your dreams come to life. I love that feeling, because I really do believe that anybody can do anything. So I got accepted into the dall-e 2 beta, you know, whatever, I'm pretty sure we're letting everybody in at this point if you just put your email in there. The midjourney Discord is really easy. You just go to the website and request in. And then, like I said, I love Crayon, which formerly known as dall-e Mini. The images aren't as good as the other AI platforms, but it just pumps them out and you get 9 at a time. And I don't know, I am just a person who really needs ideas. Things are like flowing through my head all the time, but I want to see it. And once I see it, like my head, like all these sparks fly. It's beautiful. So after using Stable to put my brain onto the screen, I was able to sort of photo bash the stuff together into exactly what I wanted. I knew that I had this like idea of the bay windows, that I wanted the desk, I needed the bookshelf to line up just perfectly next to it. I did all of that and just put it all together into a picture that I could reference as I went into trying to like model the actual design. I don't know what the heck I used to do the photo bashing, and like I have Autodesk, I have Photoshop. You know, honestly, like people say this and it's really true. You could do it in MS Paint because really you just need an eraser and a transform tool and just like fit that shit together. And then you know what the fucking cool shit is that after you make that image, you can put it back into the AI. So you can image to image that shit and then make it look like it was all, like it was just like you planned it. With that 2000 Linden, I think that I spent like maybe half of it. I'll put it up how much I spent. But yeah, I didn't even spend all of that 2K that I purchased. And some of that was down to my location research. You know, some of that was down to just having a little bit of experience like building and having that really great like resource. I knew exactly what I was looking for because of the AI. I was like so thankful for that because like I don't know, it's, you know, when you build something you usually have a schematic, a plan. Architects, I took freaking drafting in CAD, and you know you need, and I'm a pattern drafter, you need that stuff. So yeah, I decorated my heart out, honestly, buying my like adorable bay window and the cute little desk. I needed a bookshelf, which I actually didn't end up liking, but thankfully my my desk came with a little bookshelf on it that I ended up just like making really big, and that worked out. It's my sci-fi princess dream. Big ups, honestly, to the venue. It really helped me be inspired. Like, it was just so beautiful. The world was turning exactly like I imagined. That rad like purple floor, like at first I thought it was kind of stupid, even though I loved it. I thought that it would be like too much, but I don't know, there's a lot that I can do with this purple floor. It's gonna be amazing. It was actually really fun. It brought back some old memories. I was able to like slap those windows together, and it was really funny too because the windows are like fully contained. I think they're like a sculpted object, and like if you know Second Life, then sculptees are not mesh, so you can't like stand inside them. And after that, like I just set up Polypop and hit record. I mean, not even after, like I set it up I set up Polypop like first, obviously, because that's how I'm recording everything and showing you guys how to do this. So first, I use Polypop. In case you guys don't know, like I also use OBS sometimes, but ever since Gail Level told me about Polypop, it was just like, I was like, oh my god, I can basically have like a Blender recording software. It's great. It's flipping great. I'm really happy with what I have so far, and I hope you guys can see just how cool it is to work with AI and let your mind just flow. it's really fun concept design, honestly. I have been fancying myself the biggest concept design artist lately, just because it's really satisfying to go from concepts in my brain to like a fully colored image, like literally depicting my wildest dreams. Like, enjoy AI art. Now I get to be amazing with you guys in space. See you later, overthrowers.